Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're laying out the complete roadmap for one of the most in-demand skills out there, data analysis with Python. So whether you're starting from scratch or just looking to make your skills official, you're definitely in the right place. Let's jump right in.
You know, we're living in a world that's just overflowing with information. Every single day, we create these massive mountains of data. But it's not just a bunch of numbers, right? Hidden inside all that are patterns, trends, really powerful stories. So the big question is, how do you learn to read them? How do you become the person who can uncover those game-changing insights?
So, here's our game plan. We're going to walk through a 5-step journey together. First, we'll talk about why this is so important right now. Then, we'll map out your actual learning path. After that, we'll look at the awesome tools you're going to master, see how you'll put them to work, and finally, explore where this whole transformation can take you.
Okay, so let's start with the big picture. We're in a data-driven world, and honestly, understanding its language, it's not really optional anymore. It's the key advantage that sets people and entire businesses apart from the pack.
I mean, think about it. Companies, scientists, you name it. Everyone is just flooded with information. And the ones who are really winning are the ones who can cut through all that noise, make sense of it, and use what they find to make smarter, faster decisions. That, right there, is the power of data analysis.
So how do you get that power? Well, that brings us to part 2. This is where your personal journey kicks off on a really clear, structured path that's designed to take you from being just curious to a totally capable data analyst.
And this right here, this is our destination. See, when you become a proficient data analyst, you're not just some person who runs code. No way. You become a problem solver, a storyteller, someone who can take raw, messy data and turn it into something clear and actionable, all with Python.
And, you know, this path is way more accessible than you might think. It doesn't matter if you're trying to launch a whole new career, or you're already a scientist or a business analyst who wants to level up. Maybe you're a student doing research. Basically, if you want data skills, this journey is for you.
Now, listen up, because this part is super important. You do not need to be a coding genius to start. In fact, you don't need any programming background whatsoever. The whole thing is built from the ground up, which makes it absolutely perfect for total beginners.
All right, every hero needs a good set of tools, right? So in this next section, we're going to open up the Analyst's Toolkit and check out the powerful instruments you will be mastering.
Okay, what I love about this is how it frames these tools as your superpowers. Python, that's your foundation. It's simple, it's powerful. Then you've got NumPy and Pandas. These are what let you wrestle any data set into shape, no matter how messy. Matplotlib and Seaborn, they turn you into a storyteller, letting you create these beautiful visuals that just make data talk. And Scikit-learn, well, that's basically like having a crystal ball. It lets you build models that can predict the future.
So knowing how to use the tools is one thing, but proving you can actually build something with them, that's a whole other level. This is where we go from theory to practice, where your skills get forged in the fire of real, hands-on experience.
And this shows the progression perfectly. You start with the absolute foundation, cleaning messy, real-world data. And trust me, this isn't just a chore. It's where most of the work happens. You'll hear pros say this is like 80% of the job, because you can't get good insights from bad data. Then, you move into what's called exploratory data analysis, or EDA. That's when you start digging around, asking questions, hunting for patterns. From there, you tell that story with dashboards. And finally, you use the data to predict what might happen next.
So here's the real game changer. You don't just finish with a bunch of knowledge in your head. You finish with a real, tangible portfolio of projects you've actually built. This is your proof. It's what you take to an employer and say, look, I don't just know this stuff, I've done it. Which brings us to the final stop on our roadmap, the payoff. After the journey, after you've built the skills and the portfolio, what does this whole transformation actually unlock for you in the real world? The outcomes are super clear and pretty powerful. You're not just going to know Python, you're going to feel confident using it. You'll be able to create amazing data visualizations and solve actual real-world problems. And all of that, topped off with a certificate of completion, is going to seriously boost your career prospects. And really, this is the bottom line. Let's be honest, the job market is competitive. What we're talking about here isn't just another line on your resume. It's a valuable, in-demand skill set that tells companies you're ready to make an impact from day one.
And maybe the best part? You might be thinking this all sounds like a huge, year-long commitment. But get this. This whole transformation, this journey from total beginner to a portfolio-ready analyst is designed to take, on average, just 6 to 8 weeks. It's a focused, totally achievable sprint to a massive career upgrade.
We started this whole thing talking about the hidden stories locked away in data, so it feels right to end here. With these skills, with this roadmap, you're going to have the key. So the only question left is, what stories, what trends, what incredible insights will you be the